Herbalism, Lesson 22. Gumbaria mixa. Please subscribe before we study about herbs. Do not forget to like the video and click the bell notification too.
Herbal Solution 1. For sinus, cough, strengthen lungs and heart. Cordia mixa leaves ground 1 teaspoon. Pepper powder 1-2 teaspoon. Honey. 1 cup water. Make a tea and have it twice a day. Herbal Solution 2. For high blood pressure, pectoral disorder and leukorrhea. Cordia mixa fruits, ground 1 teaspoon. Cumin 1-2 teaspoon. Palm candy 1 teaspoon. 1 cup water. Make a tea and drink.
For rashes, ringworm and eczema. Ground Cordia mixa fruit. Coconut oil. In coconut oil, well cook the ground Cordia mixa, strain and use the oil ointment in the area.
Thanks for watching. Till I meet you in another video, please subscribe and click the bell notification. Do not forget to like and comment below for your doubts and tell us about the results. Till then, yours, Little Honey Girl. See you soon. Love you.